Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Having reliable data recovery software is an essential tool for every PC or laptop user. Many data recovery software claim to be the best at restoring deleted files from PCs and laptops. But here's the truth. Not all software are created equal. While some deliver on their promises, others fall short. That's why I have picked the 7 best data recovery software that can be used to recover the deleted data on your PC. These tools can effectively restore your valuable data no matter the circumstances. So without further ado, let's get started. The first software on my list is the Stellar Data Recovery Professional. It is one of the easiest and most powerful data recovery software for Windows. It can restore any form of deleted or lost data like documents, multimedia, archive folders, etc. from your computer. Besides recovering data from internal storage of your PC, it can also help you retrieve data from externally connected devices, such as pen drive, hard disk, SD cards, and more. The software uses advanced scan modes that dig deep into the memory locations to find the files that were deleted due to different data loss scenarios, such as virus attacks, careless deletion, power failures, etc. The deep scan may take hours depending on the size of the data. If you have some work, then you can pause the ongoing recovery and resume it later from the same point. Also, you will be able to see the live preview of all the scanned files in real time. Once the scan is done, you can select the required files from the preview window and click on Recover to start recovery of your deleted data from your PC or laptop. You can recover any type of data unless it is not replaced by some new data. Coming to the prices. Stellar Data Recovery software is available in 3 versions: Standard, Premium, and Professional. The standard version of this software will cost you around $59.99, while the Professional and Premium versions are priced at $89.99 and $99.99 respectively. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons of Stellar Data Recovery Professional. Also, you can watch my detailed review video of Stellar Data Recovery by clicking on the I button. EaseUS is a big name in the data recovery industry and has been functional since 2004. They have a lot of utilities, among which one is EaseUS Data Recovery Software for Windows that lets you recover deleted data from your Windows PC in a few simple steps. The software is very powerful and can recover data that was lost or deleted due to any given scenario. However, what made me recommend this software to you is its clean UI and easy to understand dashboard. This makes it easier for you to recover data even if you have no prior experience using professional data recovery software. EaseUS can retrieve the deleted data from your PC's hard drive and external drives like pen drive, NVMe, SSD chip, etc. Moreover, it has dual scan modes that can help you run quick and advanced scans on the memory location, which overall increases the chance of recovering lost files. Also, it offers a free demo where you can see your deleted file in the preview window. If you wish to recover the deleted files from your laptop, then you will need to pay for a subscription fee. EaseUS Recovery Wizard subscription plan starts from $69.95 per month and $99.95 per year. Moreover, you can get a lifetime access to this recovery tool at $149.95. The pricing is a little bit on a higher side, but it is really worth it due to its various features and high data recovery accuracy rate. Now, let's analyze the strengths and weaknesses of the EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard for Windows. At the third position on my list, I have another professional and advanced data recovery software out there. It is Wondershare Recovereit, which lets you recover lost and deleted data from your PCs running on Windows operating system. Like the other 2 data recovery software that I have listed above, it can also retrieve data from the internal as well as the external locations. It supports data recovery from all sorts of external devices and any of the file type, be it audio, images, documents, videos, etc. Wondershare claims that they support 1000 file types, which I cannot validate, obviously because it's not possible to test so many file types. I was able to recover some of the most used file types like PDF, JPEG, MP4, MP3, etc. that are widely used in daily life. It also provides you the option to recover data from a specific folder or location in your PC, like a recycle bin, desktop, or any other folder. This feature saves you from scanning a complete partition if you know from which folder or in particular location you have lost the file. With the advanced version of Wondershare Recovereit software, you can even repair corrupted video. This makes it a great tool for videographers and content creators who are always looking for ways to recover corrupted video files. Wondershare Recovereit is available in the free, essential, standard, and premium versions. While the free version only lets you recover about 100 MB of data, the restriction is lifted in the essential version, as it lets you download unlimited data at a cost of $69.99 yearly. The standard and advanced versions cost you about $79.99 and $99.99 yearly respectively. Let's discuss the positive and negative aspect of this recovery software. Advanced Disk Recovery is an amazing data recovery tool that helps you to recover deleted data from your Windows PC. You can recover deleted files from partitions, hard disks, and external drives using this lightweight software. Advanced Disk Recovery also provides you with two scan options, Quick Scan and Deep Scan. While a quick scan is enough for recovering recently deleted items, the deep scan, on the other hand, scans the memory location, sector by sector, to recover even the oldest deleted data. What I really like about the software is its UI, which is different from all the other data recovery tools I have reviewed so far. It kind of gives you the step-by-step instruction on how you can recover and restore your deleted data back to your computer. This recovery tool allows you to retrieve 5 files for free. It's a software to go for if you are a beginner and not well versed in using utility tools. Also, you can change the scan and filter settings on this software according to your needs, which helps you customize the tool for better usability. Overall, if you want an easy-to-use data recovery tool for recovering data from your Windows PC, then you can also consider this software. The pricing of the advanced data recovery for PCs starts with the original price of $69.95, but you would mostly find it at a discounted price of $39.95 annually. If you can get it for $39.95 for a year, including the 60-day money-back guarantee, then it's a great deal. Let's discuss the positive and negative aspect of this recovery software. AnyRecover For Windows is another highly functional and advanced data recovery tool that gives you the most options in terms of locations to scan. You can scan locations such as internal hard drives, external connected devices, lost partitions, specific folders on your computer, crashed computers, and even virtual disk drives. So as long as compatibility is concerned, this software is a clear winner. Also, like every other software on this list, it also lets you recover data in 3 simple steps. Select the location, scan the location, and finally, recover the lost data. It runs a quick scan followed by a deep scan on your selected location and ensures that your data is recovered irrespective of the data loss scenario. The scan does take some time, but if you have found the files, then you can pause the scan in the middle and recover the file without continuing further. However, you don't get the option to save the scan session for later scanning, as you get on the EaseUS or Stellar recovery software. But you do get lots of filters and a preview option on it that makes locating recovered files a cakewalk. Overall, it is a pretty decent data recovery software that can help you recover your lost data from all sorts of memory locations. AnyRecover software is available in 3 plans. Monthly plan will cost you around $59.99 per month and $79.99 yearly. Also, you can pay for the lifetime access in $99.99. Now, let's examine the positive and negative aspects of AnyRecover data recovery software for Windows. Tenorshare data recovery software is an advanced tool designed to facilitate data recovery on both Windows and Mac devices. With its comprehensive features, it offers a seamless recovery experience for various data loss scenarios, including formatting and accidental deletion. This powerful tool ensures a quick scan process and provides a free preview of recoverable files. Tenorshare data recovery is available in 3 plans based on the duration of the subscription: 1 month, 1 year, and a lifetime plan. These plans are priced at $49.95, $59.95, and $79.95 respectively, with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Let's take a closer look at the advantages and drawbacks of Tenorshare data recovery for PC. FonePaw data recovery caters to both Windows and Mac users seeking professional data recovery. It's particularly valuable in scenarios like accidental file deletion or hard drive formatting. The software is also very easy to use, so even if you have never used a data recovery software before, you will have no issues with it. FonePaw data recovery provides quick and deep scan features. You can access quick scan for rapid file identification or deep scan for exhaustive recovery, adapting to diverse data loss scenarios effectively. Also, you can preview and sort out the scanned files to prevent unnecessary restoration. This recovery tool can seamlessly recover data from various sources, including digital camera memory cards, external hard drives, and flash disks, ensuring comprehensive coverage for different storage devices. Coming to the pricing, FonePaw Recovery for Windows offers 3 subscription plans, starting with $39.87 for 1 month, $48.97 for a year, and $55.97 for a lifetime license for one PC. Now, let's take a closer look at the advantages and drawbacks of using FonePaw data recovery software on a PC. All these software are safe to use and are lightweight enough to run on even old Windows PC. However, your computer must meet their minimum requirements. If you want to use the most advanced and professional data recovery software, then you can go for Stellar or EaseUS data recovery software. They have all the features you would ever need to recover any kind of file. However, no matter what software you use, if your data is overwritten by new data, then you cannot recover it. So make sure you show some urgency and try to recover the file as soon as it is deleted. This way, you have a higher chance of recovering deleted or lost data. That's it for today's video. If you like watching our content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor, and hit the bell icon to get a regular update. Thanks for watching.